worked hard, so I don't have to work hard. Oh, yeah.
And then check to get rid of some. I'd rate that a 7, maybe 7.5.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
But the headless huntsman ride. That was a 10. Yeah.
Find me on my journey.
Nice. Oh.
You do fly, technically, in some ways, Tish, when you think about it. Run!
I'm sorry.
No, I was gonna ask how long have you...
So much death, and it's all Bob's fault. It's all your fault.
He's dead.
I told you. Oh. There's something left in there. There's some left in there. There was the rest of it. I do burp everywhere. I don't, like, holding them in hurts. And I can't, like, it's not my fault. I can't help it. See, there's the hiccup and then there's the burp. Ooh! Ooh! Why Sprite? Ooh! My frustrated Tish. Oh god. Oh, someone clipped that. That was beautiful.
Oh, Ziggy.
All the berries. Yeah.
Look, right here.
Pretties. Excuse me.
You have traveled to the sacred mountaintop,
Ow.
seeking answers from the all-knowing wheel of
Ooh.
enormous proportions.
Oh. Ooh. Oh.
Good job, Sammy.
That was a good one.
Yeah.